खाते टाइम बोलना नहीं करते, खाओ चुपचाप। How the fuck we eat this? I think I'm gonna go one more time. सलमान भाई है। क्या दिखा रहा है? कैमरा दे कहाँ है? नमस्ते अंकल, कैसे हैं आप? I didn't like this guy. This is, what is this called?
This
name?
Bread with chipiron.
Can you give me one this? So guys, I've ordered some food out here which I wanted to try, or I don't know how these pinchos will be, but let's try it out and see how it is. Pinchos that I've ordered, this is of fish, this is of some meat, and this is of bread and chicken or ham something, but let me taste it and tell you how it is. How do we eat it? Let me eat half, you eat half. खाते टाइम बोलना नहीं करते, खाओ चुपचाप। How the fuck we eat this? I'll cut it into half, huh? ले, ये वाला मैं खाऊंगा, ये खाओ। Okay guys, look at this. This meat piece in bread with the cheese. That's okay. इसको मैंने इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट की बात बताई, तब से इंडियन पे अटक गया है। शाम कैप्सिकम को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? कैप्सिकम इंग्लिश में आ गया, समझ रहे हो? We have to do is they gave us a paper where there is numbers written. They have 60 pinchos out there, okay? तो जो आपको पसंद आता है, you have to go there or tell them what you want to eat, and they just mark it onto this paper and then they bring it up here. So we have like tried like 3 to 4 pinchos right now, and it tasted good. The fish one was really amazing. The chicken one was okay. So now we're going to have like couple of more, and after this हम ये खाने के बाद what we're going to do is we're gonna go out to the Indian restaurant to have a proper meal. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna try out the cheesecake. We tried out this. What is this? Is this fish?
Chicken.
It's chicken. Okay. How do we get to know which is chicken, which is mutton? This is fish. Blue is fish. Blue?
Blue is the price.
What is this?
Salmon.
Salmon. It's a veg.
This fish.
It's fish. Get me one. What is this?
Jam.
The jam. Only the jam. Any meat in this?
Yes.
Which?
Only jam.
Only jam. Okay. So I've choose like 6-7 out of it, and now we're going to have it. हमारे pinchos आ रहे हैं, आते जा रहे हैं और हम खा रहे हैं, तो These are very pocket friendly guys. If you are coming out, like एक भी खा रहे हो तो 300 रुपये का हार्डली जाता है एक, तो आप 5-6 भी खाते हो तो 2000 तक जाएगा. But if you're coming in a country like this where food is famous, I don't mind spending money onto the food. Cheers to that. I think I'm gonna go one more time. There's salmon fresh. Salman bhai hai. Okay, I'll eat one more fish. This is the fish. Give me this one. So now this time I've got more 4 things. Table is 14. Yes. Yes. नमस्ते अंकल, क्या दिखा रहा है? कैमरा दे कहाँ है? नमस्ते अंकल, कैसे हैं आप? बस बढ़िया. अभी हम खाना ट्राई कर रहे हैं यहाँ का. हाँ, नहीं इंडिया का भी ट्राई करते रहते हैं बीच बीच में. कल इंडियन खाया था, आज यहाँ का. तो बेसिकली सिटी का खाना बहुत अच्छा है और ये सिटी को खाने के लिए जाना जाता है. हाँ जी, इंडियन में बीच बीच में भूख लग जाती है. बस अब 1-2 दिन ही बचे हैं, फिर घर आके तो मैं मम्मी को पहले ही बोला है मेरे को खाना राजमा वाजमा बना के रखना, मैं आ रहा हूँ. चलिए अंकल. ओके, So this was Nikhil's dad. I think अभी तक हमने कुछ 8 से 9 pinchos अब खा चुके हैं और in my list I have covered like 5 to 6 of them. Now I've called for the crab one which I wanted to get and I saw it here and now we are going to try it out. So guys, pinchos. So I wanted to try out a crab one and which was there on my list since a long time और मुझे वो दिख गया यहाँ पे and which is very good. If I tell you the prices of this, you will be shocked. So everything that we have got, one quantity each costs you like in Indian rupees 200 to 300, in euros 2.5 to 3.5 to 4.5, max it goes for 5.5, which is good. Which was the best one to you? Waldam. So Waldam he liked the most, and you know what is Waldam? Let me show you what is Waldam. By the way, just if his father is seeing this, ये juice है. It's a juice, which is Waldam is a very good energy drink which they gives you here, and here our pinchos have arrived. Look at that. The crab, the fish, the chicken. This I have no idea. This is the crab. This is the fish. This is the chicken. This is I have no idea what it is. It seems good. I didn't like this guy. मेरे को fish पसंद आई. Fish is good. No crabby. You don't like it? Same here, man. I didn't like it either. It was not good at all. तो guys हमने यहाँ पे आके जैसे मैंने कहा था 10 पिंटो ट्राई करेंगे. 13 to 14 पिंटोस ट्राई करेंगे. Good enough. And now I'll end with the cheesecake. अब हम जा रहे हैं इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट जहाँ पे कल हमने खाना खाया था. कहाँ है ये? है ना बॉलीवुड सामने तेरे. हो this is the second time we're gonna eat food out here, man. Look at him, man. Manners ही नहीं है. मेरे को अब जल फ्रेज़ी अगर अच्छा है कह रहे हो तो जल फ्रेज़ी एक कर दो, ठीक है. उसके साथ मुझे आप बटर नान कर दो. I tried out the food yesterday and it was really good and that made me come here today as well. And now this time I have another person with me which is Mr. Nikhil Tomar. तो निखिल जो है यहाँ पे शाही पनीर खा रहे. तो शाही पनीर क्यों खा रहे? चिकन में क्यों नहीं कुछ खा रहा?
मेरे को पनीर की टेस्ट लग रही है.
Okay, खा. It's good. So these are like many Pakistani people out here which has opened the Indian restaurant out here. But trust me guys, the food that they give with the quality and with the taste, it's just like an Indian food. That's the exactly reason why we're here. Guys, it's a Indian restaurant out here by the name of Bollywood. क्या नाम है पूरा आपका? Bollywood?
Indian restaurant, Bollywood food, San Sebastian.
Okay, perfect. That's the Indian food for us and that's chicken. और यहाँ पे निखिल again चना मसाला पर survive करते हुए. I don't know इसको चने से क्या प्यार है. छोले भटूरे. Oh my god. मुझे तो चिकन से प्यार है यार. This is chicken for me.